Hey, it's Randy Miles. I am on the phone with Mansa Musa from MoneySmartLife.org. We've been talking about your credit score, all the ins and the outs. And today, we're going to talk about bankruptcy and how to improve your score after a bankruptcy. Hey, Mansa.
Hey, how you doing? Right, we're going to talk about the 6 steps to rebuild a perfect credit score after a bankruptcy. So first thing we want to do there's more information on the subject on the website at MoneySmartLife.org. We encourage people to go there and read the full blog post. But here are the 6 steps. Number 1, you have to understand that this is a long-term strategy and that a bankruptcy can be on your credit report for up to 10 years. Mm-hmm. The good news is the further you get away from it, the less impact it has on your credit score. So after you've declared bankruptcy and you want to start rebuilding your score, the first thing you want to do is watch out for credit repair companies. You're going to get a lot of solicitations for credit repair, but there's nothing that they can do that you can't do yourself.
Right.
Number 2, start now and be patient. As soon as your bankruptcy is discharged, you need to start rebuilding credit. Number 3, become an authorized user. Once again, we encourage people to go read the blog post. There's a link in the post on how to become an authorized user where you're able to import good credit right onto your credit report without any risk or you having to open any new accounts.
Right.
Number 4, check your credit reports 90 days after the bankruptcy and then every year thereafter. After a bankruptcy, there are generally a lot of mistakes, a lot of things on a credit report. It's your responsibility to make sure that's accurate. Number 5, and once again, go to MoneySmartLife.org to get all the details, but use financial service products that rebuild credit. Secure credit card, credit builder loans, those kind of things are available to help you start getting a good payment history. And number 6, create credit diversity. It's important that you show that you can handle a mix of credit. So once again, those are the 6 steps on how to rebuild a perfect credit score after bankruptcy. And go to MoneySmartLife.org or our Facebook. There's a posting there as well.
It's a great read. Thanks so much, Mansa.
Thank you.